Trello for business. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, go to the Trello website. On the main page, you can log in or click Get Trello for free. You can continue with Google, Microsoft, Apple, or Slack, where you can sign up with your own email. Next, a verification link will be sent to your email. Check your inbox and click Verify your email. Then, you'll be taken to the email address Verify page. Enter your full name and create a strong password. Now you'll land on your board's homepage. On the left dashboard, you'll see your workspace settings, boards, members, settings, and billings. Click Templates to explore available templates. Open the one you like, then click Use Template. You'll be redirected to your main board page. Start setting up your cards. Add a title, fill in the description, and attach files. On the right side, you can add comments to your card. In the top left corner, you can choose the card view you prefer. In the top right corner, explore Trello's features and menu options.